Good day, sir. Welcome to Jamaica Cus, where if you don't leave here a cuss, it don't sit right with us. How can we rock you today, sir?
Rock me?
Okay, sir, so based on what I am seeing here, this package here is valued at $51, which is $1 over the $50 US threshold. But sir, I see where it is 2 items inside this package. Is a shop you're running?
No man, it's just 2 herbal supplements. You don't run no shop.
But hear me out, sir. What I cannot understand, is that there are so many herbalists in Jamaica, and you go all the way a foreign, go buy herbal supplement. You're rich.
No, and the only reason I bought these supplements is because they can't be found in Jamaica, so I have to go overseas,
Okay, sir. So after thorough investigation, and when we do all of our calculation, and when we add in, of course, the education tax, you know that have to add in.
Broken.
And of course, we come work very regular, so we have the dedication tax.
Broken.
And you come in a nice, clean place. So of course we have the sanitization tax.
Broken.
And of course we have bright university youth, and graduation will come up, so we have the graduation tax.
Broken.
And we'll have to check your package thoroughly, so you have the scrutinization tax.
Broken.
And of course when we do all of the calculation there, add in a little 1-2 thing and one little juice money, because then we say juice happy drink. Your total payment is $29,999.99 Jamaican. You can just run it out to 30 grand, sir. How do you want to pay, sir?
Jesus is Lord.
Oh, you might look fine, yes, sir. Me no know. You don't look like you might breathing dead. Sir, you alright, sir?
You sick in your head? You sick in your head?
Sir, I'm going to ask you to lower your tone, sir.
$29,999
Sir, I'm going to ask you to lower your tone. Sir, stop. Raise your voice off of me. I'm going to have to go give away your package. You know what? Your package.